O Lord, you have searched me and known me. Hello, everyone. Today we'll be reading Revelation 14:9 through 11. Then a third angel followed them, saying with a loud voice, If anyone worships the beast and his image, and receives his mark on his forehead or on his hand, he himself shall also drink of the wine of the wrath of God, which is poured out full strength into the cup of his indignation. He shall be tormented with fire and brimstone in the presence of the holy angels and in the presence of the Lamb. And the smoke of their torment ascends forever and ever. And they have no rest day and night, who worship the beast and his image, and whoever receives the mark of his name. God's word is powerful and true. Have a beautiful day and be safe.